Restricted someone and now changed your mind? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to unrestrict someone on Instagram. Let's get started. First, open Instagram. Tap on the icon at the bottom right. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Scroll down. Then under How Others Can Interact with You, tap on Restricted. Here, it will show you all the accounts that you've restricted. To unrestrict, simply tap on Unrestrict at the right side of the profile. And that's it. That is how you unrestrict someone on Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.